the essence of the community is in collaboration, which is where I see the future of AI, Darren. Now, one of the things that we believe is that AI is currently being treated as the space race back in the day. Countries across the world are competing on who can form the best AI. One of the best solutions to that is collaboration. Quick example on what's happening with COVID currently. As we know, vaccines are being created by about 16 to 18 countries at the moment, right? That are pressing forward in creating the vaccine. How they're doing it is by collaborating on a resource or on a knowledge that they gain. So as soon as something is gained in one country, that is shared across the other nations that are creating it as well. That is where I see the future of it.